Hey guys, it's Damien from Marketing Food Online. So in this video, I'm going to give you an opportunity to tap into our network on Pinterest. We have over 1.7 million monthly viewers now on our Pinterest boards. We have over 120 boards with 21,000 plus pins. And we can definitely give your food product, no matter where you sell it online, we can give it a huge push and exposure to all of our people on our network. And you need to take a look at this. So we're going to go over to our computer and I'm going to show you how this works. We're going to do it right now. All right, guys, it's Damien from Marketing Food Online, and in this video, I'm going to give you an opportunity to get your product. If you are online, get your product in front of a potential of 1.7 million customers on our Pinterest board. We have been pinning now for quite a few years, and we have over 27,000 pins. We have nearly 10,000 followers, but we're getting 1.7 million monthly viewers now, and that gives a lot of eyeballs to potential products. And if you're having a challenge getting your product in front of more people through your e-commerce store, if it's on Shopify, if you're selling something on Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, or even just your own website, we definitely have the boards to do it and to help you get exposure. Now let me go really quick and explain to you how we do this. So of course, we've been doing this for a few years. It's been about 4 years, 3 or 4 years out, and we've accumulated a lot of pins, and we do them ourselves. We do not have any automated services doing this outside. We actually do this a little bit every single day, believe it or not, except for Sundays. But we do have a lot of boards. We have 120 different boards showing 120 different interests. And on those boards, some of them have nearly 2,000. Some of them have several hundred. We have them ranging from beauty tips to food and drink, which is one of our most popular ones, to chocolates, recipes, puppies and food trucks, food and drink, educational videos, and so on. Now, how can you get your product on this? So we offer a service now through marketingfoodonline.com on our website that allow you to buy 5 pins. Now we'll take 5 individual URLs, which are the links to your products. If you're selling, let's say on eBay, and you have a spice business and you're not getting a lot of traction, we'll take that link, we'll get 5 of those links, and we'll put them on boards that are obviously suited for that particular thing. So food and drink, let's just say, for instance, let's click on this real quick. So you've got a spice business on eBay, this is an example, and you send us those links. We're going to put them up onto our board, and you're going to start getting traction. Now, we can't guarantee you sales. I obviously can't do that. Conversion is not something I can guarantee, but I can guarantee that we're going to put it up in front of a potential of nearly 2 million customers that might be interested in your product. Now, remember this too. On Pinterest, when you pin something, it's permanent. It's there forever. It could be repinned. It could be liked. It could be hearted. It could be all kinds of engagement too. So for instance, how we've done this to get attention on our boards is we use some of these really quick short video clips. These are some really quick video clips here. And this one here gets 2,000 views. This was about 3 days ago. Normally we get about anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 video views. Our short videos do the best. And what we can do is we can even incorporate your pin in a pin story where it's got multiple pins of different pictures of your product with the link. In each one of these, you're looking at 2,300 views, 1,800 views, and so on. But we use these short video clips to get people's attention. In essence, is what we do. Okay. So we can actually create a Pinterest storyboard, which would have multiple images of your product and then a pin directly linked to it when we put it up. So here's an example. This video was posted, let me say, I think it was about 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. And it's got nearly, let's see, over 2,000 views. It has a few seconds of airtime. It's a very short video, of course. It's not very long. But we get people's attention, and that's what we do. Okay, that's the object of Pinterest, is get people's attention. And this is the most important part for us. We actually use these videos, for instance, to promote our Marketing Food YouTube channel. Okay? And then from there, you can actually click on the link, and it will take you directly over to our YouTube video right here. There's the link right there. And that will take you to a selected video that we put for this particular short video. And these are actually videos we get off of Pexels that are free. We don't even have to make these or shoot these. We get them for free and we upload them on Pinterest. Okay? So let me show you some stats. These are some statistics that are quite amazing. So this is a 30-day period compared to the previous 30 days. All right, so we have 1.68 million impressions. Our audience is over 1 million. Our engagements are up to nearly 21,000. Engagements are when someone clicks on the pin, interacts with the pin or does something to the pin, okay? So this is something that, just to show you, and again, here we are, Marketing Food Online. This is our account. Just so you know, this is for real. This isn't someone else's account. So this is how we've grown over the past 3 or 4 years to get to where we are. And as we engage and as we add more pins every day, and we have more interesting pins and even promote your product, this is just going to keep going up. And this is already up over 200% over the last 30 days. Okay? And let me just give you an example. Here's Thursday, March 25th. 110,000 impressions just in that one day, 108,000 on Sunday. And of course, it fluctuates. It goes up and down. I mean, 80,000, 90,000. These are daily, by the way. Okay? And then as it goes up and down, we add more pins and we get more engagement. So if you have a product and you're really trying to get some more traction, definitely want to try this. Now, don't rely solely upon our pinning for you. You definitely need to have some type of plan in place for other social media platforms as well. But I can definitely tell you this, Pinterest is amazing because it's a permanent thing. Once you've pinned something, you've promoted something, it has the ability to kind of take a life on of its own. These are actually just brand new. We just posted these this morning. Those were videos from YouTube for a cooking channel. So they're just getting traction. We haven't got anything just yet. We posted them probably about 25 minutes ago. But as you go down here and you can circulate through this, I mean, you go on and on. It's nearly 2,000 views on this short clip. We've got 2,000, 2,700, and so on. Some of them actually have huge amounts of engagement and get over 9,000 to 10,000 views. I mean, all of these are average. Just with 5,000 viewers on this one. So again, I'm definitely not showing you this to brag about what we've got. I'm showing you this to give you an opportunity to definitely get your pin and get your product in front of our audience, because you're maybe just starting and maybe you're just getting out there, and that's perfectly fine. And you can incorporate these. You can actually take these pins. You can put them on Facebook. Once they're on our book, when we've pinned them, you can take them and put them wherever you want as well. So if you're interested, definitely click the link down in the description. We've got a quick link there that'll go to our website, marketingfoodonline.com. Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the Cottage Food Law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out these videos for more resources.